Pendulum Divination, Unveiling the Mystery. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic, pendulum divination. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or someone curious about different cultural practices, this video is for you. We'll explore what pendulum divination is, its history, and how it's used today. Let's unravel the mystery together. Pendulum divination is a form of divination or fortune-telling, where a person uses a pendulum, a weighted object hung from a single chain or cord, to answer questions or seek guidance. The pendulum is held still, and questions are asked. Depending on the pendulum's swing direction, the answers can be interpreted as yes, no, or uncertain. It's a practice that combines intuition with the belief in spiritual guidance. Pendulum divination has roots that stretch back centuries, finding its place in various cultures around the world. It was used for different purposes, including locating water, minerals, and other hidden objects, as well as in the realm of spiritual inquiry. The practice has evolved over time, but its core principle remains the same, seeking answers beyond our immediate understanding. Today, pendulum divination is embraced by many as a tool for personal insight and spiritual guidance. Practitioners often use a pendulum over a chart or a set of letters to spell out messages or receive more complex answers. It's not just about the pendulum's movement. It's also about the connection between the practitioner and the pendulum, which is believed to be influenced by subtle energies. Despite its popularity, pendulum divination, like many forms of divination, faces skepticism. Critics argue that the results are influenced by the ideomotor effect, where the person holding the pendulum subconsciously influences its movement. It's important to approach pendulum divination with an open mind while understanding the scientific and skeptical viewpoints. We hope this journey into the world of pendulum divination has been enlightening. Whether you see it as a tool for spiritual exploration or a fascinating piece of cultural history, it's a practice rich with symbolism and meaning. Thank you for joining us, and may your language learning and explorations continue to bring you new insights and understanding.